Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and there has been a phenomenal response to the foot and ankle course. Thank you very much. I will like to thank the faculties and the teachers who worked hard for that course. Our seniors, Professor Sudhir Kumar sir, Professor Anil Dhal sir, Professor Bhasin sir, Professor Gopa Kumar sir, for blessing us during the course. I will like to congratulate Dr. Anuj Chawla for absolutely tirelessly working towards the success of this course. He drafted the program so beautiful that this 2-day course was absolutely stunning. I will like to also thank Dr. Maninda Shah sir for delivering the lectures. He is in Canada at present and he recorded at odd hours for us. The talks by Dr. Gaurav on the radiology of foot and ankle, and the talk by Dr. Farhan, which was delivered from Singapore, were icing on the cake. Overall, the program went beautifully, well appreciated by the students. As classically said, the team of Conceptual Orthopedics is there to serve for the students. We are coming out with a course about the important instruments in the pocket of a resident. The use of the inchy tape, the use of the goniometer, the use of the hammer. These are the things that you do it day in, day out. But there is no place where you're actually taught how to use them, why to use them, when to use them, and what advantage it will give you, right? And in the decision making. Let's meet 26th and 27th March for this course. Our senior teachers will be doing recordings for the same and will be answering your questions. And then on 2nd and 3rd April, we are coming out with a book, the 4th book, which is going to prepare you to write your theory answers, releasing on the 2nd anniversary of Conceptual Orthopedics, launching CO 3.0 the same day. The theory book of orthopedics from the team of Conceptual Orthopedics will be released. The book will be delivered to you in the end of April, but I think it's going to be a book which will be very useful for you to revise the crisp points how to answer. How can the anniversary go without celebration? 2nd and 3rd April, dear friends, none other than your loved and dear Dr. Shailesh Pai is creating a trauma bonanza for you. And I'll not miss out here. You obviously know the League of Conceptual Orthopedics is always supported by and blessed by the senior most faculties who will be there in this trauma course. This is what we have for you in the next 2 weeks. We are excited. I hope you are. We are waiting to meet you. I hope you are eager equally. Thank you very much.